All right, 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम फ्रीक्वेंसी फ्रेंड्स की आवर सिटी योर स्टेशन पर इस वक्त मैं सिंगर तो नहीं हूँ लेकिन दिल बड़ा जोर से कह रहा है तो गा ही देते हैं दो लाइन শোনো গো দক্ষিণো হাওয়া মধুবন্তীর সাথে কথা বলছি আমি সরি এক্সকিউজ এন্ড জাস্ট অ্যাপোলজিজ ফ্রম দ্য রেডিও জকি হিয়ার কেমন আছো মধুবন্তী
খুব ভালো আছি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইউ সাং ইট রিয়েলি ওয়েল। খুব সুন্দর একটা ছড়া একটা কবিতা বানিয়ে ওয়েলকাম মি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর হ্যাভিং মি।
सचिन जिगर सुन लिए ना वाकई वो मुझे भी आके थप्पड़ मारेंगे खास करके सचिन एंड मधुमंती सेइंग दैट लाइक ओके लेट मी जस्ट गिर जाती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे फिर एक बार उठ के कंटिन्यू करती हूँ कॉन्वर्सेशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे टू यू डार्लिंग
A very happy Valentine's Day to you as well. I think
आज
you
के दिन
look very pretty with that red lipstick, your signature.
नो आई थॉट ऑफ गिविंग इट अ लिटिल वैलेंटाइंस डे टच बट तुमको देख के लग रहा है तुम शाम की तरफ में जाने का प्लान कर रही हो वैलेंटाइंस के लिए है क्या प्लान ये बताओ सबसे पहले
प्लान कुछ नहीं है एक्चुअली। एक्चुअली प्लान बना रहे थे
हम्म
कि कहीं जाएंगे, बट मुंबई में एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि सबसे पहले व्हाट यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इज ट्रैफिक। तो दैट इज वन मेजर इशू। तो
हम्म
वो अगर मतलब गूगल मैप्स पे अगर लगे कि बहुत ट्रैफिक का सीन है
हम्म
तो घर पे ही कुछ बना लेंगे आई गेस, सब
ओह
कुछ ला के।
So you're having a house party or something?
प्रोबेबली आई प्रोबेबली गो फॉर दैट।
Okay, wonderful. All right. और भी बहुत सारे सवाल तुमको देख के आज उठ रहे हैं लेकिन उसके पहले फॉर द लिसनर्स एंड एवरीवन जो हमें देख रहे हैं आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट मधुमंती को काफ़ी सालों से पहचानती हूँ और लास्ट इनके साथ हमारे कोलकाता में एक जगह है आइस स्केटिंग रिंक वहाँ मुलाकात हुई थी प्यारी सी मधुमंती अपनी मॉम की हेल्प कर रही थी एंड तब मैं दूसरे रेडियो स्टेशन में थी आई एम सो ग्लैड टू सी दिस गर्ल grow and reach where she should have been amongst the stars. Oh,
थैंक यू।
my dear star, so proud of you.
थैंक यू स्मृति,
And
थैंक
I
यू।
can safely say that on behalf of every Kolkatan right now that कितने proud हैं हम तुम्हारे लिए.
So grateful, so grateful. This is a blessing. I think this is a blessing of a lot of people who have always seen something in me. उसमें से बहुत सारे म्यूजिशियंस हैं, बहुत सारे लिसनर्स हैं। जब मैं एकदम बेसिक यूट्यूब पे कवर्स और ये सब छोटा मोटा कुछ कुछ करती थी, तब भी आई हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड बाय अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, एंड आई थिंक आई बिलीव इन द पावर ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट हैज रियली हेल्प्ड मी कम अप टू दिस लेवल।
Right. Since you're talking about people who have been there for you, let's start with the people who actually doubted you back then and said something very mean. जो आज शायद would you like to talk about it कि वो ना मुझे ऐसा बोला था एक वक्त मैं बस याद कर रही हूँ.
See, as far as people saying mean things, वो ना वो कभी बंद नहीं होंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि people will not say mean things to you because you have proved yourself in some way, because there are still so many more things to prove that I'm sure people say mean things about Shah Rukh Khan as well. And I see on social media people saying mean things about Lata ji as well. So I think that's never going to stop. एंड पहले वो शॉकिंग लगता था क्योंकि कोई रीजन नहीं समझ पाती थी मैं कि क्यों क्यों बोल रहे हैं ऐसा। आई एम रियली वर्किंग हार्ड, आई एम रियली ट्राइंग टू मेक अ मार्क, नॉट जस्ट मेक अ मार्क, आई जस्ट रियली वांटेड टू डू गुड म्यूजिक। ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे ऐसा फेमस। सी देयर आर टुडे देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेज टू बिकम फेमस। यू डोंट नीड टू डू गुड म्यूजिक टू बी फेमस। एक्चुअली मे बी इफ यू डू बैड म्यूजिक देन यू विल probably be famous faster. माय पॉइंट वाज दैट कि मैंने घर से बचपन से जो देखा है, जो सीखा है, उसमें मुझे ये समझ में आया कि वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग आई शुड ट्रीट दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर विद अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट। आई डोंट वांट टू इंसल्ट म्यूजिक बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी फेमस और समथिंग, एंड जो भी मुझे सुनेंगे उनको लगना चाहिए कि यार ये अच्छा गा रही है, बच्ची कोशिश तो कर रही है। वो कुछ बन पाए नहीं बन पाए वो अलग बात है। सो वो इंसल्टिंग रिमार्क्स एंड स्नाइड रिमार्क्स आई थिंक वो तो आते जाते रहेंगे। आई डोंट कीप इट सो मच इन माय ब्रेन, बट आई डू कीप, if there is anything to learn from it, if there is anything that I can learn from a remark which will help me become better at my craft, then those things I would love to remember. But बाकी ऐसे passing odd remark I don't remember.
ग्रेट ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए दैट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू बी सो बिफोर वी गो इनटू शुरू से शुरू करते हैं, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आज वैलेंटाइंस डे है, वुड यू लाइक टू हम अ फ्यू लाइंस फॉर द पीपल जो हमें इस वक्त देख रहे हैं, एंड देन वी स्टार्ट द कॉन्वर्सेशन, मे बी एनी सॉन्ग दैट यू वुड लाइक टू डेडिकेट
Of course, I want
टू
to dedicate
एवरीवन.
the quintessential Bengali, the one that you just sang. শোনো গো দক্ষিণ হাওয়া প্রেম করেছি আমি লেগেছে চোখেতে নেশা দিক ভুলেছি আমি
Woohoo! क्या बात है. So when you reach there, Bombay, टफ टाइम, आई एम श्योर स्ट्रगल तो हर किसी के लाइफ में होता है, या फिर आपके लाइफ में नहीं था, ऐसा बोलना शायद मेरे लिए बड़ी अजीब सी बात होगी. मैं भी जब कलकत्ता आई थी तो बहुत स्ट्रगल किया था, हर कोई करता है. सबसे टफेस्ट फेज তোমার জন্য কি রয়েছিল? What was that?
I felt that Bombay is a very busy city ना मुंबई में सब लोग आते हैं काम करने के लिए और अभी भी जब मैं कभी भी दोस्तों से बोलती हूँ कि यार बहुत हेक्टिक चल रहा है बहुत हेक्टिक है इसके लिए टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है तो इंटरनली वी ऑलवेज से दैट वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू बी बिजी बिकॉज द वर्स्ट थिंग टू बी इन मुंबई इज हैविंग नो वर्क बीइंग फ्री इन मुंबई इज लाइक अ कर्स क्योंकि यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू टू स्पेंड टाइम जैसे हम लोग कैलकाटा में हम लोग घंटों तक फोन पे या मिलके या कैफे में या कहीं पे this time pass is something that we used to do so much. It's very limited here because सब लोग ये survival के लिए या life में आगे बढ़ने के लिए सब इतने busy है. So when I came to Mumbai, I made a couple of friends after coming here, and they were all musicians. But I figured that they are extremely busy throughout the whole day. So when I don't have any work and I have no one to speak to, I can't call up my parents and say that, hey, I don't have any work now, so so तो वो मेरे लिए वो मेंटली एक चैलेंज हो गया था कि सब काम कर रहे हैं मेरे पास काम नहीं तो मैं हाउ डू आई मैनेज माई सेल्फ इमोशनली एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम क्योंकि वो एक दिन दो दिन ठीक है बट months after months if you see that you have nothing to do when everyone else is working and they're discussing आपस में after they finish work आज ये हुआ और आप सोच रहे हो कि आप स्टूडियो कब जाओगे नेक्स्ट वही आपको नहीं पता क्या पता कोई कभी भी बुलाएगा नहीं बुलाएगा सो दैट इज आई फील दैट इमोशनली दैट वाज द मोस्ट ट्रिगरिंग एंड काफी डिफिकल्ट फेज वो तो था मेरे लिए
Right. Great and glad that you came out of it in a big way, in a better way. May slow and steady हुआ होगा, but finally winning the race is the process right now. So let's talk about the big break. वो कैसे हुआ and what happened?
um, मैं हिंदी मूवीज में मतलब आई बीन सिंगिंग इन सम फॉर्म और द अदर लाइक द फर्स्ट इन अ वे बिग रिलीज वाज एक्चुअली शायद बट शायद में मैंने मेरे प्रॉपर वोकल पार्ट्स नहीं थे लाइक आई डिडंट हैव लिरिक्स टू सिंग मेरा एक हमिंग था व्हिच वाज ऑल अराउंड अरिजीत दास vocals it used to bind that song that way and I was very surprised actually to see my name in the credits क्योंकि जब मैंने गाया था मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि it was for शायद या something
Hmm.
मैंने बस गाया फिर usually in these cases the singer is not credited
हाँ.
because it's not a major part in the song but
Hmm.
I think thanks to Pritam Da and the whole team that they put me in the credits and it gave me a taste of being a part of a big song. This Shayad was a very big song,
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
and it became a huge hit, and everybody everywhere was singing it. But it was still not my song as such. कि मैंने गाया पूरा गाना. So I knew that I had to wait till I get a song where I can show my vocal abilities and all. उसके बाद I have sung for Sachin Jigar, Barbadiya I had sung. फिर I had sung Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, Born Norway में आमी जाने दे करके there was one other song. Now we can't predict which song is going to become a blockbuster. It is very difficult to predict. But I can definitely say before आज की रात I had a feeling when I had heard the track and उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था स्टूडियो में कि तू एक बार आके ट्राई कर तेरे हिसाब से और मैंने जब सुना वो ट्रैक एंड द लिरिक्स एंड द वे दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट something clicked inside me and I'm rarely this optimistic and possessive about songs. Something clicked, and I was like, this song has something in it. I can't point out what, but it's very attractive. It is something is there which is very, it holds your attention for a long time. So it is not going to be one of those songs कि चलो just hook phrase पता है या सिर्फ वो वाला part musical part पता है. People are going to know the whole song. It's a song where people can sing from music to end. It will be. पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा था. And obviously in Bombay, people, the composers always try different singers. So it is always advisable कि no one put too much hope on कि मैंने गाया है तो मेरे वॉइस में ही आएगा. ये काफी मतलब अनप्रिडिक्टेबल सिचुएशन होता है. तो मैंने गाया, बट एक बार गाने के बाद मुझे लगा कि एंड आई केप्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग फॉर सम रीजन. And I called up and I think, or maybe texted Sachin sir that, sir, can I just give it another go? I feel that there is still something else I can do with it, some more emotion or something. मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है ये सुन के, मतलब खुद ही सुन के लग रहा है कि something else can be done. So I went back to the studio and I started singing it. And it took me a while to get to the position where I knew that okay, this is where I want to reach. क्योंकि as a singer also you know that what is your potential, what is your bandwidth. कहाँ तक आप कर सकते हो उसके बाद शायद नहीं होगा. So I knew that this is it. फिर I sent it and they were like ठीक है चलो. They must have presented it to the producer and everyone. एंड फाइनली एंड ये सब तो हो चुका था. उसके बाद गाना शायद 1 साल के बाद आया. तो वो सब ओके भूल के आई मूव्ड ऑन. आई पर्सनली फील दैट इफ यू आस्क ना, somewhere you get attached to that, and that's a recipe for a disaster. Because what if someone else is singing that song and you put too much faith and hope on that one project. एंड ये बहुत बार मैंने बहुत लोगों के साथ होते होते हुए देखा है. एंड दैट इंक्लूड्स अ लॉट ऑफ एस्टैब्लिश्ड पीपल दैट दे हैव बीन वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट सम प्रोजेक्ट एंड दे हैव टोल्ड एवरीवन कि अरे मेरा तो गाना आ रहा है एंड इट रिलीजेस इन समवन एल्सेस वॉइस.
ओ गॉड, तुम्हारे
इट
साथ
इज
कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
नहीं,
ओके.
because I had sort of seen it happen so many times, and my philosophy is कि जब तक वो क्रेडिट लिस्ट पे मेरा नाम नहीं आएगा या मुझे नहीं दिखेगा कि वो टाइटल क्रेडिट्स पे वगैरह, तब तक मैं किसी को नहीं बताती. क्योंकि वो एंड मोमेंट तक देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट इट कैन चेंज फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन. तो लेट्स नॉट टेक अ रिस्क. बट फिर मूवी रिलीज भी नहीं, गाना रिलीज होने के एक दिन पहले मुझे बताया गया ऑफिशियली दैट इट्स कमिंग इन योर वॉइस. एंड आई स्टिल डिडंट नो हु इज फीचर्ड इन द सॉन्ग. I'm like, I'm very happy, गाना आ रहा है. Then at that time, by that time, I knew that it's a song for 3-2. बट पता नहीं रहता है किसी को कि गाना कितना चलेगा, लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं. अगर लोगों को सबको पता रहता कि लोगों को पसंद ऐसे करने से लोगों को पता मतलब लोगों को पसंद आएगा, then everyone would have backtracked and started making songs that people will supposedly like. But this is one thing which is very unquantifiable, I think, and even at this point, that no one knows what people really like, and even if you make the exact same thing again, people will not like. So it's a very strange thing. And of course, I personally was very happy with how the songs sounded and everything. And the rest is practically
History. Yes. आज की रात, I think maximum number of reels, people doing covers,
yeah.
people dancing at the house parties and parties. Of आज भी this song is a rage.
Yeah.
What was the best compliment that you received for that song, and from whom?
I think I was very overwhelmed with all the YouTube comments and all, because usually Kiana, obviously Tamanna Bhatia is a very well accomplished actress, and she has done a beautiful job in the video as well. And usually वो video के नीचे ना लोग people leave comments for the video, like whatever they're seeing, and that is the easiest thing to respond to. People are
Correct.
responding to the video. Audio comes much later. But I saw so much of appreciation dropping in for the song, and people pointing out this particular voice, like who has sung this? ये किसकी आवाज? People are trying to guess, and some people they don't check the credits and all so much. And that is something which was amazing for me. And then किसी ने तो लिखा था, I don't remember who it was. Someone had written that, uh, somewhere you have brought back that era of, those dance songs with a class which Asha ji used to do, like his
अरे
the voice, which is a great, like, overstretched compliment, but I very much enjoyed it.
no, it's not overstretched. It they
She is
really
a
mean
legend
it.
for sure, but I was like, this is such a nice and beautiful compliment to have for someone like me, uh, because I've heard a lot of times when I was starting out that voices like mine are not very suitable for heroines. Yeah, you know, because heroines are supposed to have sweet voices, naive voices, voices that sound like, you can tell them something and they listen to you. So it's usually what was always said to me. But when this compliment came my way, I was very very happy.
Ah, क्या बात है. Feels so good to hear that. हो जाए 2 लाइन.
Hmm. थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जा कभी बाहों को दीजिए, थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जा कभी बाहों को दीजिए, आज की रात मजा हो उसका आंखों से लीजिए, आज की रात मजा हो उसका आंखों से लीजिए.
Oh, I still can't believe pinching myself. I'm sitting with the one and only Madhuvanti Bakshi on a Valentine's Day 2026. Times have changed. The way people are falling in love have changed. Lovers, the thinking, the process, everything has changed. तुम्हारे लिए कुछ बदला? प्यार, मोहब्बत, इश्क, भालोबाशा की लाइफ में?
बदला नहीं है. I think it's just that the times have been, uh, I have been left with very little time for myself and for leisure, for relaxing. तो ज्यादातर टाइम हम लोग भागते रहते हैं, इधर से इधर, या तो so much of pending work is there. So what happens is that these softer emotions, be it love or even grief or anything like that, these emotions actually get shoved under the carpet because you are too busy.
Okay.
Uh, so so that is something which has happened in my life, but otherwise the definition still stays the same for
So, are you
me.
dating someone?
I wouldn't say so. No. Dating is not something that I do with. I don't understand the concept of dating. But if you say, are you in a relationship with someone, then yes.
Okay. May I know the name?
No.
ओके. आशिकी की कॉलोनी में दिल दे दिया. घर था उनका लेकिन किसी को दिल दे के आई हैं. मधुमती बागची नाउ. दैट्स হ্যাপি ভ্যালেন্টাইন্স ডে টু দাদা ভাই অলসো.
Of course, I'll wish
আচ্ছা
him
এটা
well.
তো বলো বাঙালি না অবাঙালি?
Not Bangal.
ওকে মহারাষ্ট্র.
আরে এটা কি প্রত্যেকটা
देखो this is what girls do, right? When girlfriends meet, they ask. It's up to you.
I'll tell you off camera.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ডান তাহলে only it will be me who will know it.
Yeah, yeah.
Fantastic. Right. I also have seen in this green couch there are cats roaming around. You have cats?
I have two cats.
Two
Yes.
cats? Oh my god, so cute. তার নাম কি?
একজনের নাম খেজুর, আরেকজনের নাম চিনি.
ওলে বাবা লে, so cute.
They are very sweet.
Fantastic.
They're
Fantastic.
sleeping right now. একটু পরেই চলে আসবে.
Okay, let's talk about মা বাবা বাড়ি ঘর বালুরঘাট everything. কেমন চলছে? Whenever you come back, people see you with pride, lots of love and you know.
ওই ব্যস্ততার জন্যই মানে আই বিন গোয়িং হোম সো স্পোরাডিক্যালি, আর গিয়ে থাকা হচ্ছে না. মানে আমার যেটা আই রিয়েলি ওয়ান্ট টু ডু ইজ জাস্ট গো হোম অ্যান্ড জাস্ট বি লাইক আ ভেজিটেবল. I really want to spend a few days like a vegetable. But I mean, one will say, "Kire oat," none of that. So ওইটাও হয়ে উঠছে না because I'm literally going to কলকাতা, ওই সুটকেস খুলে মানে হোটেলে যাচ্ছি, হোটেল থেকে আবার এয়ারপোর্ট, মাঝখানে যদি বাবা মার সঙ্গে দেখা হলো তো হলো, they usually drop by to meet me বা হোটেলই থাকলো আমার সঙ্গে তো ওইরকম করে আই এম ম্যানেজিং I really want to go to Balanghat. I've been telling my mom কি আজকেই কথা হচ্ছিল যে লেটস প্ল্যান কবে যাবো টাবো কিন্তু ওই যে সময়টা যে আমার খালি মনে হচ্ছে যে আর আফটার 2 weeks I'll have time by the time those 2 weeks happen no there is no time again I'm postponing it to the after the next 2 weeks so এটাই problem.
I understand. देखो একদিকে if you see when you just also mentioned it's good to be busy. You may be in the city of Mumbai, or it's anywhere in the world. It's good to be busy. But at the same time, sometimes the schedule really, take a toll on you.
Yeah.
Your mental health, you're stressed, or I don't know what kind of pressures or anything that people go through. From that point of view, I'd like to talk about Arijit Singh.
Mhm.
Dada left playback singing. What do you have to say about that, Madhubanti?
Amazing decision. And the day when he announced it, I felt in a way that it's such a move of power, first of all. It's a very powerful move. And it gives you a lot of freedom because he's not only a playback artist, he's a composer as well. He makes his own songs. And it doesn't at this point of time your artistry or your singing is not only limited to singing film playback songs. You can do so much more. The world is completely open right now. And if he thinks that if my aesthetic, my philosophy right now, and as an artist, you have that freedom. We are not just serving an industry. As an artist, you are an artist. You're just trying to speak or sing or emote whatever there is on your mind. And sometimes that's why we need artists with good conscience and a certain, I feel that certain kind of a moral compass also is required because what if whatever you feel is just bad for the society? You know, I have a certain, philosophy about that. But imagine that he is doing so much work on the social front that he's doing for his area and all he might just feel like the whole playback thing is too much hectic for me. I want to take some time out and invest in this on my own creativity. It's absolutely required for an artist to have the freedom to say no when he or she needs to, for your own brain, for your own sanity. Because if you're overstuffed with work, you you can't create. You can only manufacture things. Then you start manufacturing templates कि इसमें ये जाएगा उसमें वो जाएगा it's like it becomes like you're making boxes for different things. That's not the same thing as making art actually is not made thinking कि चलो ये ऐसा बनाते हैं ये चलेगा ये मार्केट में चलेगा लोगों को ऐसा कुछ पसंद है and usually that is what 99% people are doing. So I think if you're really really invested in art music or the subject in general then you have to take these choice you have to make these choices if the matter is about being famous and popular then you have to stay a slave to the system forever.
Are you a slave to the system?
Right now to some extent I am because see these power moves you can only take after you reach a certain level.
Yeah.
You cannot take when you're starting out because nothing is under your control. You are literally unless the instructions appear to you you don't know how to take the next step forward. You only reach the CEO position and then you know what you need to do. If you are an employee, you wouldn't know what is the step. If you even you don't even know there is an option like this that you can do something like this. So I think at my level, I at least know कि कहाँ तक पहुँचने के बाद मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. बट वहां तक मुझे पहले पहुंचना पड़ेगा एंड इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस आज के दिन में नए जो आर्टिस्ट आ रहे इट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ फाइट to be consistent because everything has become so scattered that the kind of careers that Shreya Di or a Sunidhi ma'am or Sonu ji or even I'm talking about playback artists only, or even Papunda, Lucky Ali, the kind of careers that they've had, there's an expanse. People have been hearing them for X number of years. Like Shreya Di, Sunidhi ma'am, they've been singing since they were 16, 17 years old. And it's almost like almost 30 years of them being in the industry in control, not even like fledgling artists, but full fledged. So, for an artist to have that much of a career itself is now a very debatable thing because attention spans have reduced, people's tastes have become different, music, character of music has changed, the ways of consumption has changed. So a lot of boxes actually have to be ticked for an artist to. I mean, even the artist needs to be very resilient. A lot of things will come and go. I mean, वो पहले भी था, ऐसा नहीं कि पहले नहीं था. But अभी सब कुछ ना, and imagine अभी AI is also there.
উফ বাবা,
So it is like it's like
কিছু
a
না, একটা
master butter
ঘরে
of.
বসে গান বানিয়ে দিচ্ছে, কি যে হচ্ছে, রিডিকুলাস।
So it's a machar bazar of all those things happening.
ইয়া,
So उसमें if you have to really stand out and shine for 10 plus years, you have to be super, I don't know, like very resilient and smart and still focused on what you want to do. And I think right now, what you really can do is stay very, very true to yourself. अगर वो कोई कर सकता है ना कि it will require a certain amount of bravery. It is not easy. But if you are really being true to your, this is what I want to do kind of a thing, here it can take you somewhere, really magical in the world of music. हो सकता है.
fantastic. मधुवंती, wherever you are right now, are you happy about yourself, content, satisfied? किस मोड में हो आप?
I am definitely very happy about my life. I think
Okay.
I'm extremely blessed. Extremely blessed. I have worked hard, but I also feel that I see around myself people who've been working hard for many, many years and they are very good at what they do. And for some reason or whatever reason, they haven't received their dues. They're very overdue on that. And I feel very grateful and I feel lucky that somehow I have been able to receive some, blessings from people and people have liked the music. The music has gone out, people have recognized me and they have decided to give me further opportunities कि तुम और भी अच्छे गाने गाओ. So I feel again very grateful about it, but um, maybe not content because there is so much more to do.
Hmm.
There is so much more to do. This is just, I feel, the very beginning of what I really want to do. And it will take a lot of hard work and a lot of, the struggle really never ends. If you really want to create something honestly and etc. etc., there is no end to struggle till you really reach. I don't know if there is any pinnacle, if there is any peak that you can reach. It's struggle after struggle, but the journey is very, very enjoyable.
ওকে, আই হোপ দ্যাট ইউ কিপ এনজয়িং লাইক দিস। অ্যান্ড যে যেমন তুমি মেনশন করলে না, এমপ্লয়ি, সিইও, এই যে এপ্রিল মাসে তো অ্যাপ্রেজাল হবে, এমন একটা অ্যাপ্রেজাল হোক দ্যাট মন তোমার একদম ভরে যায়, অ্যান্ড ইউ শুড বি মোর দেন কন্টেন্ট অ্যান্ড হ্যাপি।
And,
हमेशा ऐसी रहे।
and
राइट,
you
लेट्स
too.
क्विकली, थैंक यू डार्लिंग, लेट्स क्विकली गो टू दिस और दैट, लाइक आई एम गोना गिव यू ऑप्शंस ऑफ 2 सॉन्ग्स,
Okay.
सिलेक्ट वन, ठीक है?
Why do I feel this is going to be very tricky?
मज़ेदार होगा। योर सॉन्ग्स ओनली, नो
Oh
नॉट एनी अदर सॉन्ग।
no!
या ओके, आज की रात और उई अम्मा,
Very tough, but I'll choose Ajkirat.
आज की रात और पीलिंग्स,
Ajkirat.
आज की रात रंबा हो,
Hmm, I love Ramba because I've been hearing that song forever and I couldn't believe that I'm singing this song. And I also made a reel with Usha Didi and
yeah,
we did
saw
it
the reel,
together.
wonderfully
It was
done.
like, wow, this is something magical. This I couldn't have chosen. But still Ajkirat because after all, Ramba Ho is Usha Didi's song. It'll never be anything else. In my mind, it's always her song.
ओके, आज की रात और शरारत,
Shararat I really like, but still Ajkirat.
कमिंग बैक टू आज की रात, आज की रात और आशिकों की कॉलोनी,
Still Ajkirat.
आज की रात और शोनो को दुखिनो हवा।
Hmm. Shonoko Dokinawa definitely has a very special place. Though my answer is going to be Ajkirat, but still, because see, it is S.D. Burman's song, and the way he has emoted in the song, way a composer can sing his or her own song. is unparalleled. No one can sing it like, even if the composer is not a great singer. I feel that no singer can sing a song better than the composer himself herself. So Shonoko is very favorite to me because I could never imagine myself singing that song reimagined in that way. Because एक तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये गाना ऐसा भी बन सकता है. The whole credit goes to Arnob because I've been a huge fan of Arnob since like we've all been. And when I got that whole opportunity कि हम लोग सोच रहे, and they asked me also that there might be some criticism coming your way, and I'm like that's okay, but imagine how cool it can sound, if we can do this right, which most likely we will, because
You
I
have.
think we will
Yeah.
mess it up. And if it sounds messed up, then we'll not do it. We'll be like, nahi, it's from nature. But imagine if we do it right, it'll sound so nice. So, and Shonoko definitely opened up a lot of different things for me in life.
Yes. Yes.
So, very, very favorite song of mine, but still Ashkira.
Aaj ki Raat is the winner. All right. Let's quickly go to rapid fire. कुछ मज़ेदार सवाल है. Let's see कैसे जवाब देती हूँ मधुबंती. So if you could secretly replace any Bollywood singer in a song, which song will it be and who will be the singer?
I want to die.
Please don't die. Answer.
Please. I wouldn't say replace, but um, I would love to have sung a song like this is one of my very favorite songs. Like it's not a Bollywood song. Pari Hu Main, that Sunita Rao song. I was in love with that song. So that is something I wouldn't say कि मुझे यही गाना चाहिए. But ऐसा गाना अगर मुझे मिलता ना जो it's that dreamy whole like surreal soundscape that was there in that song, I would have loved to sing that that song sometime. Like some song like that, I would have loved.
আহারে মা আমাদের পড়ি তুমি. Okay, one Bengali singer you think is capable of going big in future? From Kolkata, from Bengal?
In future, मतलब you're saying in Bollywood
তোমার
going
কি
big?
মনে হয়? হ্যাঁ, मतलब going big way. Bollywood.
আমি যাদেরকে চিনি they're already big. মানে I actually don't know. I mean, there are a lot of singers, new singers who are doing really well. But immediately আমার কোনো বাঙালি নাম সেভাবে মনে পড়ছে না. One, um, I'll tell you his name. Wait, I'll
হুম,
tell you.
হুম, হুম.
There's one guy, ওকে আমি শুনেছি, ও বালুরঘাটের.
আচ্ছা,
Which is, uh,
বালুরঘাট গ্যাং.
বালুরঘাট। সৌম্যদীপ। সৌম্যদীপ sang থামা মুভির একটা uh, रहे ना रहे हम में there's a theme, there's a song actually, रहे ना रहे हम.
Okay.
So Shomodeep sang it really well. What is his full name? Mm, Some Shomodeep Sarkar.
Hmm.
So I think he has a lot of potential. Shumanto is there. Shumanto sings really well. Actually, আমার ফিমেল সিঙ্গার আমার এইতে যখন মনে পড়বে না তখন আমার খুব খারাপ লাগবে এটাই
হ্যাঁ,
ভাবছি।
চাপ
And
নেই.
now I'm not being able to remember. People will think I'm so self-obsessed. I'm a female
Oh, no,
singer
no.
now.
It always happens whenever you want to think of something and you want to say it,
Not now.
এখানে থাকবে কিন্তু ও ঠিক তুমি বলতে পারবে না সেটা. Okay, which song do you secretly love despite everyone else hating it?
Everyone else hating it. Mm. I have known of a lot of people who hate Uyama. So, but I like it. A lot of fun in that song.
Okay, right. Any composer or co-singer you thought didn't believe in you at first?
Oh, singer, definitely not. But in Calcutta, there are some. I will not name them.
Name them, name them. Bring them on the table, baby. Buffet of Valentine's, come on. Eat it. Eat and leave no
No, no, no,
crumbs.
no. No, they might. They're probably eating themselves. So,
যারা জানে তারা ঠিক জেনে গেছে, I'm sure. If you
people
know,
don't
you
know.
know. All right. Um, 3 words to describe Madhubanti Bagchi of 2026.
Dual character, very focused, and absolutely unafraid of anything.
क्या बात है, fearless queen. Let's quickly go to one word answers. Kolkata.
Nostalgia.
Sachin Jigar.
One word में
Hmm.
motivating.
Valentine's Day.
At home day.
आज की रात.
Path breaking. Grounded.
Boyfriend.
What is that word? What am I looking for? Boyfriend. For others, I would say it is a message. For me, right now, boyfriend is a place for bharosa. I have a lot of, he holds me together when I fall apart. But yeah, I mean, for I would like to say it for a lot of people that a lot of time gets wasted on these things. So unless you really find that person who would hold you when you need them, do not waste time on all this.
Oh, okay. 91.9 Friends FM.
You can find the best music on this channel and the coolest RJ Smriti.
अरे बस क्या बात है, आज का तुमने हमारा हमारा दिन बना दिया. But before we let you go, Valentine's Day special weekend, Madhubanti on 91.9 Friends FM for the Kolkata listeners, viewers and India viewers also. एक अपना फेवरेट कोई गाना हो जाए for them.
साया मेरा है तू और मैं तेरा, तू ही मेरी बहशते है, तू ही मेरी जोस्तजू, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है. This goes out to all the listeners and all the people who are viewing this interview on 91.9 Friends FM with RJ Smriti. And I would love to wish you all the day of love, a lot of love for each other, for animals, for your fellow human beings, for good music. And it's a thing that all of us should come together and support all every individual on the planet who are trying to do something good for the other people. So let's keep listening to good music, and let's keep the tradition of 91.9 Friends FM going, which keep on playing great music, and we need to keep radio alive also by listening to FM stations. So let's keep listening to good music.
Wow, thank you so much Madhubanti for your time.
Thank you.
Lots and lots of love. ভালো থেকো, আর যখন আসবে চেষ্টা করে একবার হোটেলে আমাদেরকেও ডেকে নাও, একটু বেস্ট কিছু পাপড়ি চাট নিয়ে আসবো বা ফুচকা নিয়ে আসবো.
Done.
ওকে,
Absolutely.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ.
Yes, my friend.